Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house.
Lilindeni. Limele limali ku intro.
We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Do we have the $10 in the intro? Once again, big shout out to our winners from the previous episode. Ibandle offer Toki.
Offer.
Khambana.
Asiba enter lapho ngejesi lese
Bro, ulamana mamangaki?
eseleze.
Ule two zala then one essay.
Number 3 ngawan.
The guy is a criminal.
Ngavela
Vele these days let ama criminal like her.
Ngavela ngambona.
It's true.
Are you criminal imba?
Last weekend.
Last weekend.
Last weekend.
Which
Uqakathekile once in a while. I actually enjoyed the interaction, like the comment section. Abantu bebephuma bro.
Into enhle.
But the right guy.
Phamsi izandla.
Hamba nentona?
Amna ngisi.
Grand poison?
Lesmongi.
Hi.
How
Yabona
are
umuntu
you?
osanda
Okay,
ukubona
hi.
Michael Jackson uyambona
Umongi
bro. You tell how he was wearing his shoes. Yeah.
Alpha breezy.
It's all right.
Alpha my dog.
Walk
Hey
one.
breezy. Sabona.
What a tumor, man.
Unjani?
Walk one Billie Jean.
Right guys. Ayisele ngaqhubeka.
Umongo besitshela isitori la.
Wena khona siza kubuza ngokuthi awusithi hi ine trade fair.
How
Oh,
So 10.
Sashute i-episode ye-trade fair lapha bamgaxisa inyoka wathi
Awumuntu esaba mankazi.
No, guy, into zomhlaba lezi.
No,
Hey,
Z.
I'm just afraid of the other gender, guys.
Para kwenye
Indaba
ngoro
yakho ex
kwesa.
yakho.
True.
La yenza into zomjolo.
Very true. No, ngangizenza.
Kuhamba njani?
I'm a changed man now. I'm a
Kasho
changed
ngenisa
man.
bathani?
Hayi ngingumromo.
No, serious.
No, I'm SDA.
Oh, okay.
Nalami ngomromo.
Lo mongi khona apha la.
Nakhulela duze le Roma, so that also counts.
That's
Ugogo
crazy.
were Catholic. Does that count? By association.
When a mongi, which church you go to?
Ish. Twine.
Mana uyahamba
Vele
kodwa
the
church.
moment sakhethe
This,
uthiwa
yeah,
yini
right.
qamba
Go to
ma.
church.
Guys, bro.
Tell us.
The Bible says where 2 or 3 are gathered.
We. Phela le cotton
Phela
lapha
se-church
i2
la.
or 3 ziyagada.
Yes. Technically, yes.
Thina phela vele
So saying ukuthi ihlanganiswe kuyini?
ilokuza yethu phela thina lapha saqala i-podcast asithi sasivumelene lomgcini ukuthi singafika ku-40 years singakaphumeleli siyavula i-church ethiwa yi-Satan Fighters
Mina yami kuyabe kuthiwa yi-background ministries.
background
Yes. Ushana nezuri background. Ukukhona kuna background.
eyami yabithwa yi-undernose ministries ezangaphansi kwamakhala sikhipha amadimoni
Kuyabe kudliwa.
You and food.
But kebe kudliwa lapha price.
That's a solid question.
zwana nje ngithe undernose ministries ezangaphansi kwamakhala kanti wena ngangaphansi kwamakhala udlani
No, vele
Solid question.
kunenge okudliwa ngaphansi kwamakhala.
Wena udlala.
Njengani? ngona anukwazi uningi
awulingamkhuleli ngolaka
uyazi sebengingenela
Wena
manje njengoba wezithulele nje
mina ngenzeni
wena sile evidence ku TikTok ukhuluma ngomama babantu la
yebo
but it's fine wena mongi mina simcole Breezy
okay
mina phela ku album yami lenu
wena vele uchisa yonke
ku album yami lenu
mina ngi-out
kuba unhinged and yi-problem
yeah ku album
kuba
yami
unhinged kuba yi-problem because uyakhohlwa wena ukuthi wathini
Tama album yami lalo phana
when we're not
when
being
we're not
lazy
being lazy ku ingoma lelo we put 100 degrees on a hair play Tama ingoma lelo
kule ngoma uBreezy
mad at me it's called mad at me
kule ngoma angazi mbe ngowa wafeature kumbe nguye wafeature uPhezi
where's ingoma yami lo Phezi there I ain't gonna reply do you know I actually it breaks my heart that you've heard this song because
why
that song I actually made it for my girlfriend
you lie
yeah I made that song for my girlfriend
I think that's like peak of
wait
Joel Boys, let me
for
tell
your
you.
girlfriend or for your then girlfriend
my girlfriend
Let's go
my now
that's peak
short
Mjolo Mchana if you're making music
for your
phela into le iqala slow
no
yaqala
that is
umsendele
yenzela
ingoma
guys no
yenza ama playlist
nohlabela
manike ukuzisikele ehwahweni siyakwazi ukuyahlabela baba ufakise not your moment
mana ubabona wahlabela
ku youth choir thwekuyini
esabathi amachacho imizwe lili
okay
hayi
no guys
la bingenisa abantu lapho ngiyaya
kuphodila
let's stick
laba
to
vele
podcast.
kuphodila status labantu abahlabelayo
Vele kuna umuntu
urice
ongahlabeli.
sense do rice
ilambile
leyilambile
Vele from indaba zabo underknows
sicela uku order
Baku
something
tricky.
hayi
mana
sokuzochila
tricky
labana ngenze into ta yi Freudian slip ngiyalitshela bengifuna ukuthi Ralph but bengathi uBryce ngiyakutshela yiko ngicela ukuthi uRice bengifuna ukuthi uRalph kada iswede break laphana egroupini esithi yena ulama medal angu3 ukuhlabela ngathi imedal yokuhlabela iwina njani uyabuhlabela kiss 100 meters
hayi phela manje ibizo lenye ishow yakudala utext kasuku yini
kwakuthiwa yini yasenza ama Sunday
nowazimbizilile inyanyenye
imzwilile yayingelokhuzeni yayingale kubo SABC nga le yayinge ZBC le kwakule Prime Gospel Show
Price how old are you
wait what happened to Woza Friday
what's Woza Friday was it a show
I'm proud of myself I know something that yayenza Friday ntamba
hayi mina ngikhumbula uEzomgido wayesenza nini
One at a time.
phela yathi nje abayiwoza Friday
one at a time khulumani one at a time
hectic generational gap
ezomgido
oh it's fine
zomgido siyazazi
exactly
Imimira yemimanzi.
kuchayo my chocolate yazi ngoma kuthiwa my chocolate
my chocolate
sithaban banilala Jackson uwa my thriller
oh yazi dog did you see how gas Price was that's how you know that song was a banger boy
man wait this is a very serious question Breezy ukhulelenga
ngikhulele lapha majensi but
no like which side of town
bro
ngikhulele eGwabaland
sure
ngikhulele eGwabs
kalisenini ukukhulele eGwabalala
yeah
from ngingumntwana vele ngakhulela intwana yeGwabs but
what
TV yayivale yayikhiyeli TV
middle aged
nginelalile time i-TV stand yani yayivala
try room TV
Look at
That's a
that.
room TV
evuliva masela liyavala
yeah ngakuzela liyavala
phela
ikhiye.
thina ngikhaya ifurniture ilahla yebo ngu-downgrade yefam then ngayisingane sena style si-downgrade yiswe kwelinye so hayi
mina I think mina abazali sengabona abazali ya low key hoarders bro
Yeah,
balahli lutho
yeah. But no,
itafula ingaguga
Bro.
vele ekhaya kugogo ukuthi
mina
lahlani
ngiyakhumbula silahla isofa lika Masala esithi liyakwazi ukuthi ihudu le ayisatholakali lina
Iplankani is great quality
Machens, I'm gonna say something. Do you know? I think into Lega too. First of all, back then they used to make really good quality furniture.
right
Tina says, "Pila kuma era la otu ya bungu foldable. Uthi ngasuthi siqhamuka ulahla."
vele ungazibona
So one, it was good quality furniture and it was expensive. Kadesi phela even $60 ungathola itafula. or
vele ungazibona
$45.
ukwanisa ukuthenga isibuko kushini
Yabo. Isibuko. But isibuko za these days. James wakubona ukuthi emergency sokothenga isibuko wathenga lesibuko sama-China wabona i-difference
Yeah,
isibuko sama-China
Sinjani?
right isibuko lesi esiyi-orange ngemuva lesi yisibuko lesiya
amazulu athi isipili
lesiyana yisisibuko kanti esingahambe ema-Chineni balalokhuyana okude sibuya kuyisibuko ukuya ungayi-$3 or $6 ungakumisa eceleni kwesibuko uyakubona i-TV nakola depth it's just like a shiny kuyatepa it's a shiny surface
blind.
yabo lesiyana singawa asikusiki futhi
Manje ziyelo lezo ezi-orange zitholakala.
Orange emuva ngilaso endlini.
lesiyana
Ezinanyathisela
Yes.
organs
lesiyana yeso kwakuthiwa ungasibulala uyaba lo mnyama
lapha uyarajwa lapha.
lapha uyaba
mina majensi likhuluma indaba yefurniture le I kid you not ngikhaya lokhu sile same sofa elalikhona nzalo it's just been reupholstered bro isofa lela selisiya ku 30 something maybe sesiya ku 40 years
Yo.
yeah
maybe ngina
I'm sorry
maybe
literally the same sofa
so bro the way ngisebenzisa ngayo video la damn
I'm sorry
maybe ngine kulama attachment issues
100% uthi maybe ngikho namanje ngikha 100%
Vela khona.
thina ngikha kuze kuthengiswe imoto eyi1 yonke imoto seyakuyathengwa
Ikhona.
isezitineni zayo laphanya kumephela ukuthi umdala waqala ngale walandela ngale kade sekule
akulanto ephumayo la
abantu
ekhaya
ephumayo ngikha
Ngiyabeka.
Illuminati welcome to to death row ngenile
Ah, it's true
Khathesi
angikhazi
i-generation yakathesi abafana aba-attached amaphenti abalilahla
Yini?
iphenti mfana ebesithi li-comfortable but lirafu-ke
izimvemve
Ngikhanya la ugqoka izivemve liyazigqoka.
vele sizigqoka nxa siyabona lina kuphela otherwise
bengisathi nje ku-album yami liyana ku-Married Me lamabhazi athi but amabhazi akhona sathwika ale beat thuthu ngebhazuka
sure
intshebe ezinuka iphunda
unafuna ukuthi inyebe zilukani
Hayi.
angatsho njalo ngathi intshebe ezinuka iphunda
Hayi.
no legit
Ngaphansi komlomo ngaphansi komakhala kungenani?
Ayimsoli. Asamsoli ubeyazi.
lina lintshela ukuthi imustache akwazi uyinuke kwesinye isikhathi
ubabo
Yey.
ukuthi uyekela ama-intrusive thoughts akhe awu-enough too quick
Kana
Wow.
Indlela otshintshe ngayo bekufast.
Intshebe zinukani.
To support local talent, guys.
what in the cut
Ah, but
And my nigga cooks here, bro.
mina but lingangibhizi local talent
Wait, so
No,
ingoma lena yo
Sikubizile.
isebelela uPepe Girl.
hayi ayisiyo
I see.
Sengiyethukile.
no
ekabhebhike liphi
hayi baby girl ngenye ezwe
But Jay, some more intrusive thoughts. Ukhona oseke ukutshela ukuthi voice yakho ifana le kabani? Ngomathi ihambelana le kabani?
kuthiwa ihambelana le greatest of all time UK Breezy again I sound like but ngiyazi into etsho ngiyazi into etsho
sizohlala sisizo lathi sasi
khona nongaphi labana linsendela ama voice note
sasiya
Zenzeng,
la parada.
zenzeng.
let's meet at La
Do you know
Parada
where La Parada is?
Yes, we're going to Sandton. So sasichaya okay Breezy.
yakwazi ukuthi K-Breeze
Win-win.
uthe wena ufundise ukubiza i-local artist
Ayaw Breezy
It's not
liselele.
local.
I mean, the national, baby.
Sasasandton. Silalela ukabelo.
babenzendela ama voice note lawo zaoro awetsotsi emuva khona bakuyimandi labana was a bit worried for your well-being because
dog if you go through it well enough you'll realize you don't need to have fun to have alcohol
and you don't man utheli
Whoa.
Azimvumile but angimzwa.
mina nami ngivume fast kakhulu
Rewind, Jomnam. Rewind.
skiwa zakho lezona zikamafoni
sesengikuhle
Rewind. Sure, asabi.
you don't need to have fun to have alcohol
You don't need to have fun.
sometimes
What
unathetha
has it?
stress
uvele
Yipho
you know what
Antebo-
sasengiyakwezimbabwe lapho so womela
No,
sibuhlabe nje.
dali meqili i-sentence lo. Usesithi sinathele stress asikhulumi ngokunatha la. Uthe you don't need to have fun to have alcohol.
think about it again
take time
take time because I'm actually correct
nah just let it breathe let it simmer boys
ayixhwathise lapho usifake istop ku-3
man just let it simmer
ayithwinye lapho ayithwinye lapho kanti majensi ukuthwinya isishona isindebele
Finish.
solid argument mina ngicavi but I
Thwinya.
think
Thwinya. Cause akula thwi. Akula asindebela akula thwi.
so yikuyini
ngesindebele isithwala mase zona kumele usekela sini because anje ukuthi bathi kuthwinya
and this trying to say to But ungathi yathwinyila ke to.
So ngesindebele kwenzani?
So ikwenzani?
CG.
Cheese. So let's cheese.
Hayi
Say let's
siyatwinya.
pege.
But ukuthinya kuyini?
manje ukugwaqa izandla ungani
Sicine phela.
Mbalo.
Jackie Chomley sitting and we are battling constipation.
Damn.
Mina futhi emergency mina lengaboni ngiphekisa isitshwala kanti futhi mina ngibheka isitshwala esikombileyo mina ne-issue.
Yabona abantu abahlala emafama man.
I always ate an extra cup ngingase ngibheke umuntu abambhayizile la every time.
Right, sesikwazi ukuthi length ivelaphi.
Sesitshwaleni.
Yeah.
Asitshwala
Usemenyo lo. Ay sorry.
So lapho uthi nami lapha ngoba mina
ujura lo bani olandela isithi.
No, lo mimi umngani wami besikhuluma endlelani. So bebekhuluma ngebhora. Mina nebhora ngikwazi ukuthi athi sithi halimekeleni bethu usemenyo. Halimekeleni njalo. Sengiyimbuza ukuthi bani lo manje.
so lithi
So nawazi. I'm like
ungana
angikwazi.
kholo ungusisi.
Inkazana.
So girls are really locked into soccer. Or
Yeah.
kuloku investment.
Ala ungayithi soccer man uzasibhoka man.
Soccer.
So soccer.
Yini libhora?
Soccer football.
Idisc.
Ithiwa yiFIFA liyana.
All right.
FIFA
So,
football.
Regardless ngithi mina.
So
Okay love are locked in.
FIFA. Football.
Kumbe investment.
Jay, girls are locked in these days bro mina le chero wami siyadlala ifantasy
Damn.
Wow.
athi Jack unoba no Haaland khoba kahlohlanga
That's dope. That's dope.
Shout out.
Wo mama ngalifuna ukuthabisa abafana dlala ni fantasy la manje.
Ngeke. Never. So mina ngifose ukubukela ibhola
Hayi,
yakwansi.
it's not every girl but nxa ulayo ofascinated ngesport osithandayo inhlanhla yakho
Wena ngeke usilandele isport
This year pricing as 50 rice.
umuntu othandana la. Let's say
Enjoy livele but vele
Yeah, but-
Hayi, let's just say it's okay.
Ngikho phela ngisalichasisela.
hayi but Jake umuntu umoya.
I'll partake if okay, say you are Joel. You wouldn't like partake in your partner's interests like
It depends uthi wena. But
Ama-
as
Mana
for
nguche.
andikwanisi.
Mangu-
Sengalala sangajumeka khona la.
Manguche to Cherry Ansinga. Cherry wa partake isporting sakho. Nxa isport sakho si blind izasitravelela. Ayikona lisibukele endlini ngesandla. Jola le Cherry ube le mali yokuhamba kuma Grand Prix. Uzambona isilandela
uzayithanda kubi
iFormula
Formula 1.
Chomlami.
Ngiyakutshela.
Yabona.
When you afford the Grand Prix.
No, but say
Don't do this to
But
us.
let's say
La into zezimota lapho yikho enthanda khona but hayi boring.
Ungambone
Amankazana
sekuma penalty.
amankazana ipivam.
Ungambone sekuma penalty. We baba.
that thing asala ngelanhla.
Nga ombona.
Kuma penalty. Umuntu uyadakwa wena. Umuntu uyadakwa.
No bisengikhohliwe phela.
Wena phela
Wena.
yanilanda kuma penalty le ivala umlomo isithi if iphakathi kwemoto espinayo kumbe ichaye kwini umlomo usuvuvukile.
Angichaye phakathi kwespin bin yaze luma. Kaphuma ngafula igazi
Izenzele leswe.
Wonke anavela spin bin ngisazongena futhi.
Siyahamba
Look at
siyahamba mhla ka-27.
This
Aka birthday kantonto samqondi.
yeah no. Amankazana imoto ayithanda.
Mina ngiyithanda.
Hayi
Ibirthday
nithi
yabantu-
vrr.
Yeah no
Eka
ipivam.
Ben.
kuthiwa nukelela ipetrol kuphela kumbe jerry can
Yabusu yabunukelela expensive.
But
But
chekile ukuze
isinengi
ninzi akhuluma ngayo. La
Iwin.
kuport. Ama-spinner ama-penalty
Ama
anesaskill.
penalty sikhuluma ngawo. Those
That's
are actually
Aye,
proper.
Awumnandi. Mina vele
Aye,
wonke
plan.
amabhena
Stayed
sihlala
inside too long.
ngo-attendant. Ngihlala ngikholisa.
But they keep getting better actually.
They keep getting bigger and
keep-
better.
ish.
For those of you that are in the diaspora, if you ever happen to come to the city during a period where there is burnouts, make it a point to go. There's so much adrenaline around those things, you can't explain it though.
Yeah, yeah,
Adrenaline yabilapana.
Actually, vele there is a calendar. Lingacheka ku page ye ZKS Spinners Arena. Kule calendar of events of
comfortable.
all their annual events like.
Imotakala kuze nini yana kathi eka
Ekamdala che.
eka mzo.
Enze njani?
Elempondo.
Elempondo lezana.
Hayi amadoda uduma abantu lokhana songani isigwagwagwa usefaka injini njani?
Sekanini che?
Imoti lomsindo leya.
Umbani umzo?
Ulokuza uchaka.
Ushaka.
Hey the
Oh,
Imazi umazi uthongo weshaka.
I think that's was the government name.
Yabona lingijaja ngokubiza abantu ngama-government name.
Doti umuntu
imoto nomsindo nje.
yazi lo umsindo yazi umsindo ngeke explain I didn't even know ukuthi combustion engine can make that much noise.
Hayi imoto ezinomsindo.
Hayi guys emphathise Ben blind.
AK.
Hayi
Yeah,
ke
Ben,
for
Phela
AK-47.
once spinning ku video yami. Yena ube ngasakwazi. Yeah, ku video yami. Listen guys,
Superstar.
I've been in the game for a while. You know what I'm
Superstar,
saying?
Bree.
I don't like talking about shit like that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know,
See you.
I'm happy that even people on the podcast just know me from the podcast. Now I try to keep it humble.
Asanga indawo utho ngitshela ukuthi ami fan. Ngisacabanga ugayi lo ibizwe lakhe. Ngiyimkhohliwe.
Indaba yakho kumele iqale phansi.
Hayi wayimize iqale phansi.
Ngoba si
Karoti bus yakuchiwisa nzima.
Yazi ngoba mina nje esiyani. Imandi. Nabuya ngeTuesday. Njengokuthi ngemandi ngasasibhisi.
Vele lelizwakala lapha ngicela kulante yaphumelela.
So mfana ngite somele ngibuye. Yabona. Ngibhadale phila ngabhadala the side, bambhadala from the side and nokoma ukuyagada. Sen requesta phela ngisuka ngapi endlini. Ngisiya so mina right ngisuka eSentini mina ngithi okuseduze ukuthi ngigadele ngaEmidrand. Sengitshela mina ubani ngani ngisebenzisa iIndrive because iIndrive it was cheaper. Ngeke phela so ubhala bo.
Mana iIndrive mbibolt. Kule iIndrive ngale.
Drive using iIndrive.
yeah.
So ngambalekele
Maikini.
Kule InDrive kule Bolt kule Uber.
khuluma emayikhini azozuza ubuhlungu. Khadi.
lo
is the
mntaka
sound
malungu
guy?
but yena uyabe ngasabazi.
It's the fucking sound guy. Yeah. What's this?
So umdala lona sengimtshela vele lo wangani le confusion. So uthe ngapha ngithi ngethwa ngapi? Pelokhuzenini ePark Station and LT phi angikhona ngimsisithi eJoburg ngapi
Anjo ndi ulawo.
No hayi guys phela lapho ngani sen request le mfakile sibili uthi meet anje i-ticket labhala uthi ukadela ngapi thatha sikhuluma lo mdala
But i-ticket level libhali ukuthi yona isuke ePark Station ibisiya kume isuke ePower iye kume Big Bird and then ibisidlula.
mina lapha ngikhulumela ukuthi ngisuka ngapi phela ngangicalculate i distance from Sentini okuseduze eMidrand. Hayi sangayindala lifuna ungiconfuse mina futhi xoxela istory se.
Wena waconfuse udriver.
Driver vele la wayestidi wangakwazi lokuthi uya ngaphi. Umdala lona hle ngikutshele sisuka vele senje uthi phone yakhe sticker kakho. Sengimbuza ukuthi mdala kanti wena igola uyazi yini? Asabe alright. Yabo so iproblem yaqala from khwaphansi senje ukuthi phone yakhe sticker unavigator whatever. Ebecha umdala besihamba. Ngikuthi ibhasi yadlula so. Mina ngisithi
What did you? Oh no.
Hlenibuyisela mntana.
umdala ungisa ePowerhouse ibhasi yona yeMidrand.
Shit. Which means you would have made it to
Vele
midnight in
yabona
time.
igwaqo la uyabona ukuthi eseyihamba so. Vele ngowungela ukuthi khona ngithi because mawumela ukhona
Akula ndaba ka wayiponderela lapho khona.
Ethi alright asivele senginga ansakwanisa uperform azomdala ezohamba slow lapha ehambe ngixoxisa lembuzo embuza so uchadile so hey
Man, fuck you, man.
bra is anza kenzonda amazulu that day yazi amazulu ngawazonda nkosiyami azomdala ukhuluma hey mina ngene thoyi church out ushembe
Ushembe.
ushembe yena lo njani okay guys ngesikhathi sakho ungahlekisi
Ulaka lolu qhwatha khona.
Ngongahlekisi. Yazi embuzo wambo wami manje ntethe umdala lwambuza wathini. Uthi so if ungachadanga yakwazona so le boyfriend nami sithi So wona le boyfriend yakho lo mntwana hayi. So lihlala lonke nami sithi ha so phela umfana lo so wakomosha wona usekho right phela.
What the fuck?
What the
Lapho
fuck,
mdala
man?
uphuzile ibhasi ngiyibonile iyadlula onyitshelani into ezikhuluma zomdalelwana alright fine sengifika ke lokhuzene ePowerhouse yangikhona sembuza ukuthi ibhasi yakho kudala ihambile
Ala uphuza. Ubutho wayichiya yakuchiya
ngathi
But
alright
this goes to show you. Empilweni in general, you get what you pay for.
It's true.
alright manje litshele
Get what you pay for, dog.
But impilo ingcono kule life. Uyabona?
Yeah, vele because you
No,
know
actually life ingcono kule impilo. Uyabona?
you yabazi ukuthi ama chunks le means
It's two
it's
different
not
worlds.
one.
Impilo ngishona thawini.
Upenyu.
Lapho
Hayi
sifika.
upenyu manje.
Leyo
Yesiphila.
uyiphila.
lalela ningeke ngilitshele istory
Sharp,
sami
sharp,
guys
sharp.
Halo kade mfutshela khwakhwaze manje ngakhuluma lenganihleke ukufa but mana ngili.
You're losing the plot. Come back.
Lalela kula lutho mfutshela lona. Nanzani tshela ngejeni yami thiwa uhambo asoza ngafala ukho. Thiwa composition.
You.
All right. Ebhasi sinchile lapho first day yani. Sembuyele endlini. Ngalala. For into angapha ngaze ngavuke ekuseni sazizama ulungisa ticket. Aze Imperial azibani treata ko uyazi.
How?
Ngisazokhuluma ngabo mfuna bengizwe. Ukuthi bayengithatha kabi. Imperial yeGoli. Bamphatha kahle but it's fine. Sangigadile lapho iImperial sifike ngapi twice saso. Sasifike saso sathi anjani abangena ama problems nama passport yenzani njani?
The chat always
So
kills
it's
me.
a crime.
So it's a crime.
Lapho amabhasi abhakile oSwiss London amabhasi wonke ususe bhasi lani le order guys babehamba amabhasi ayi4
Awusisi the
bebaningi uImperial ezitayila bhasi lani bangakhuluma ukuthi nisazolikhuluma benje saso lapha bethiwa orathi abayi15 abalama passport abale order ngena ngaphi uQuantum
Quantum.
ibe sanjani sadindisa phambili by then angakocabanga ukuthi orathi difference ayibe ngakhozi khona salimelela ethi lapho singena uQuantum fix chair eborder lapha egedini yithi lapho siqanqabo la siyadindisa fine akulandaba because okuseduza sidindisa so lapho siba yi15 abantu angahamba la vele babehamba beyigroup bayazana bedindise beqede phambili behamba nasensele so ipassport yami siyodindisa uhluhambi kumele udindise uyathi usadindisa beqabe bebizane passport whatever
I hate that thing.
I don't know kumbe thiwa yikuyini
Angikwazi la
ifault
ukuthi
yabo
bekwenze njani
yona
but yes leyami njalo.
yeah so yathatha kubo 5-6 minutes bezama ukuthola kuhle ku system yabo
Hey amanambeni amabizo.
amabizo indaba yamabizo uthiya uLonicole ngokomoyo whatsoever belungisa ngithi ngiyasengiqede udinta semphuma phandle sendinga i-team ungayibona awuyiboni i-team sije ibhanza mabo ngiqala ngilitshe ukuthi ngaqanqabula from esayiborder lapho is 12 midnight to
What's I preach boy?
to Zimborder lapho ngithi ngiyafika semfika eZimborder umntwana umuntu ohamba nje hamba ibhasi ethi ibhasi yakho ngithi isele emuva ekafika ethi wa right amabhasi kanjani ahamba so yazi wangisusa from lapha kuma passenger yabona ama passengers i shortcut ngachaya ngomgwaqo guys ngayingibhasi ehamba yini
What's I preaching boss?
Wena manje uthi ngomelenzi. Next time.
ngahamba labona obhuti labona bathola amantontoni labana amavenda ngahamba ngishima
Yenda. What do you mean?
Wena you were supposed to make a friend wena nje
Yes, Mongi.
ini
ukhulula ngoba uqoqele
And I feel their pain because
Wait,
there's a time when I'm
sasixoxa labo.
that distance yona lana eyokusuka
not
from
cute.
the border
Hayi,
to
small.
the other side.
oyi-1
ngo-12.
oyi-1 uyinkazana alapha lokhena kwampo because icrew lana sasixoxa kuhle
So, no man's land.
ngicabanga ukuthi phela abazalinda
no man's
phandle
icrew yona ecross ngani Quantum.
ecrew angiyiboni mana phela isitori safika phela
Alright.
sengikhrossile sengifikile elokhuzenini sengidindisile sengidindisa both sides icrew ngithi ngizayibona ezimside ungayibona leyo crew akaphumi sengihamba ku-Imperial bethi ale Imperial iHarare 30 minutes later actually not 30 that was an hour later because vele lapha ngathatha 30 minutes to cross ngikhona ke bethutsha azivela ngakwanisi lo phefumula anza ke ngithethisa umuntu omdala ngathi ngene ebhasini yo
Ngaphatha zonetha lapho.
Wavuleka.
hey lapho right story before ngikhohlana khona lo guy lwana dindisa amabhasi ifeni kaKape like mongi usambiza lapho vela ngafika umthethe ufunani sentshontsheni kanti wathi hi sorry wathi ibizwa ke sengikhohliwe wathi uhlala eTurkey
Oh, that's nice.
Turkey or like kabe ufika ubingelela uK Breeze umtshela ibizo lami but sengikhohle ngiyaxolisa uhlale ubukela iPodcast lapho
Cela ulibhale kuma comments khonapho.
othi podcast uhlale ibukele imkhumbuze ekhaya
Damn.
yeah sengikhohle uGayi
Khumbule
wakhona
ekhaya.
wazama unduduza but vela ngangakwanisi lo phefumula
Big shout out to Broski over there.
If you ever need a
Sorry, I don't want
BBL,
to
we
see
have a
why
guy
the
in Turkey.
PTSD lapha so.
no
Ibizwa sale baba.
wabona situation nganguwe
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Utheni ukhuluma inyongo? Khona sokuthatha ukukhuluma ngena mic. Songena kuyina.
Umfake impama.
Post
Alright.
travel
So sengihambile.
syndrome.
Hey lalela nini. Sengihambile uImperial sengikhulumile labana beHara bathi ayisibo bla 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 ngikhona bethutshe. Lwana umbuthutshe wani ni joke uthi sizawuchaya wona kade sikude ngathi vele ungaqali umuntu omdala. Vele ungazongiphaphela. Ngangena ebhasini ngithiwa kanti wena ubungaphi sho vele bese sithi ungumntwana lapha sengikhipha ijeso ukuchisa ke. Phela nto bese ese bekudweni. Ngathi fuck you. Ngathi zona umuntu omdala ngathi guys inanza ngithethisa umuntu ngathi zona ngathi futheke. Ngathi futheke wazomphapela. Mbuzo umuntu ongela passport. Lapho yina lenze sayehla eborder. Sadindisa ama passport. Khase ibhasithi hey thina bese likukhulumela azandikhuluma lethe yehlanini ledindisa ama passport. I-team yona sinyamalile. Usungena ebhasini uthi hey bese ngathina bese sethi uthiwa umntwana wesikole ophathisa wathi umntwana wesikole mina mangikhangela.
Yeah, but that was a compliment, but at the wrong time.
That was a serious compliment.
Ngase mbambe so ijesi. Ngathi nambona ngumntwana mphathiswe kubani. Ebhasi lengigadile ngizibhadala. Lengazomphuluzela. Hey besilinde wena. Besilinde wena. Ngithe ibelindinde njani? Because lina vele alila order. Hlabatshela from driver athi alila order lena. Alila order. Uthi yafika lapha ezimside. Sesifikile lapho vele ngasembathethisile bonke. Bengela ama passport. Mbuzo cabanga lapho mbuzo lo muntu oyenze wazowachiwa eborder. Akala passport kodwa yachiya. Usale ebhasini thina mase yadindisa. Khwa. Sebe bribe ukuthi bona besale behlezi thina sidubeka yithi esilento zethu ezikwanile.
Scratch that.
Yeah, aketholakala vele, aketholakala.
Iqiniso.
Allegedly.
Iqiniso. Alright fine.
The views
Sethi sifika lapha umuntu uthi ucela iphone number after kunjaya ngebhasi.
ukuthi uxolise phela. Khali uxolise
So
kanjani?
vela nine God. Please.
Man, I need to figure out how
That
this
was
thing
the
happened.
worst journey of my life.
Moingi, umuntu lo wakucela njani nami so wakucela njani nami?
Wangicela inamba siyehla phela sasifikile lapha
Wathi, my sister.
elokhuzenini.
Wathi
Depot
nana,
lapha.
wathi mntwana esikolo.
Zana mntwana
Hayi
wesikole.
sokukhanya phela lapha ansela jeez. Sokukhanya
Oh,
sethi hayi
siyibheri.
usomntu sengibheri.
Ijesi ngathi iyakureduce.
No, amabhla le jersey yellow ngithanda uyigqoka so hey hude fika la.
Oh, ayibona.
So ijesi yamlana kangihlayo. So babebona bahamba nomntwana wesikole. So lapha sangifika zamasa let me just remove it, you know. Ngafika ngaqala lokugeza before siyabachinge la futhi koqina.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Kulamashaya phela. Kulamashaya lapha qala ngathi let me just go refresh oqala nga.
Then you spun the block.
Ngangijwayela kabi. Omyasese alright please ngicela ubiye ngapha. Ngicela phela iphone number khona ngizawuxolisa kahle.
Oh, or
Yabona
xolisa ngani ngepipi.
Oh baby. Awudo ufuna umthelo.
Asifukhuluma banyana.
uyala ukuphuma.
Wayefuna ukungithora uphile.
Wayefuna uxolisa man ngathi kuyingadi.
No, ngamtshela phela iphone number. Lalela sengimtshela iphone number bayibhasa kuthiwa yazi I'm really sorry ngoyendlela izinto ezenzakale ngayo. I miss you.
Miss you.
Hayi lapha sisifraya la.
No, I can show you the chat. Wait.
Vula.
I got the chat. But I'm calling you. Hayi gezini mephinto yomuntu.
Kathi wena sowuthatha ngabukhulumi la mic. Ukhona ukukhuluma
Hold on. Kulama mic amangaka.
Hayi asiexpose abantu ngathi kodwa mfuna uzibelieve
Ah,
ngathi.
as far as full screenshot se-text kuphela.
No, I miss you. Ngamtshela futhi ngathi hayi le event bla 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 seyangaphi. Ndothi esembenze la ngika.
La khuluma isikhathi esinganani ka?
No, ngisadinga i-chat, number.
Esadinga guys. Mina yami i-trip ngisuka ezensiza nga agadi bus etong original.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Like I said.
So,
Ngingaqazi.
Muhamba.
But to cut the long story short, ibus yasuka ngo-2 emini ePaus. Yafika the next day ngo-6 ntambama.
Umphako yabusuqedile ndo.
Lapha lalisiye
28
Kenan.
hours bro.
Umango weKenan.
Lehamba besicela imali kuthiwa lapha sokulahla sichayina ama-10 rand.
When I said you
Ngena
I miss
ku-search
you.
lapha.
Abe ukuthi ngiyambelieve.
Vele liyambelieve ngiyakwazi.
Yeah.
Siyakubelieve lapha
Lo ngoyothanda izinto lo
Yeah.
ubhuti wentsheni.
Nankwa. Hello. Hello baby.
Mayibuya le ibuye la.
Akubale Breezy bala Breezy bala. Ungabala amabizo.
Akuyisevanga. Hello baby.
Hayi Breezy balela Breezy.
No, fair. Hello baby yaba ngo2. They miss video call a minute later. Ndoda.
Mntelibo?
Nako.
Reginald.
Mina Jay vele iqiniso ukuthi wonke umuntu lama horror story cross iborder. Iborder ngali cross enough Jay. Ko cross enough. Ngai cross enough Jay. Una vele singafunda lo ngapopoti. Anyone ngokuthi of course.
Iborder ngakukrossa kawani.
Khona subalani
Let me
ngathi.
tell you something, ne?
Achiya amachata manje.
Brave.
Yazi kufana
I
nani?
miss you.
Ndoda ngibona
I
istika
miss you
lezi
baby.
mina.
Guys, hi.
Full sport.
Litala.
Ama-gents mina isi.
Ama-gents alento
Akho
ukuthi
right.
or
Ngizalitshengisa tiphoy.
Esikwenza akho right.
sidale odance.
Avele thelo baby bra.
Asmen khona. Esikwenza akho right.
Damn.
This is a
shout out
shooter.
Reginald.
Shooters shoot.
Steph Curry, my boy.
Steph Curry.
Cabanga ibhasi ilabo driver bayi3 yani. Bonke boyi3 ngathi mphumo lo muyo melapha phela ngiyabuyela mina ngesande egoli. Ngicela ngitshela ifone amathi nasane boyfriend. Ngaza khumbeli ubhudwe introvert boyfriend yami. Wasozofase ngalolo hlobo. Ngathi hayi.
Business is business, guys, you know.
Let me tell you, the industry is a
I'm
tough
sorry
space.
angikho comfortable la.
It's not a couch you used to.
Sijala ukuhlala ibhasini kaBaby.
Bombastic side eye. It's fine.
Kasungu.
It's tough. It's a tough industry.
Anhle.
But shooters shoot. Basically.
Mina jeke border mina sengasala
But
kaningi
ngafika
ngivela ngicela ndaba.
Usale border.
Mina
Le story sokuthi sale border le eyasikhuluma.
Usale njani ebhodi ungaka?
wena.
Sebedingisela ama passport
Sasa saboche border sengachibili ke border sengasale border.
Man, uboche border uboche.
You know the usual. The usual.
Ukubamba njani dog?
Bamfaka abantu kweveni.
Bakubamba njani?
Bara oyizimside bamfaka abantu kweveni la.
Bakubamba njani?
hayi zimside uncuncuma ngoba nje SA side.
Ngathi sengenile lapha. Luckily dog before benibamba. Ngangiqeda ukuswap ama sim card ami. So ngase ngifaka isim card ezimi. Bathi bengincanda lapha. Ahla ngafonela manager ngathi
Sayishile.
wathi unga. Ngizithi impart kweveni le wona siqonda lapha. Wathi right sharp ungakhathi phone. Asibaningi so. Fika bathi besehlisa evenini lapha. Wasilayinisa befuna usithela phakathi or whatever the fuck. And then ichom leya yabisithi right. Ulo chom othucha kwa buqo ikepese radio yambona. Ngabe ngimkhanga ngathi
Athabo mnike ifone.
hayi. Wathi chom lwane fika kona buza yenze i-commotion uhludle phansi.
Hayo.
Ngaphuma swa.
That's what happened.
Wathi fika amapolisa athi khona opposite tuba. Wafika thethele kwethe ngathi ngathi. Ngathi ngiwoka ngithi ngezwa iwe rasta. Iwe rasta ngathi ngiqile part kwe crowd is.
Mana, wacwila phakathi kwe-crowd.
Ngiwoka ngithi phela ngathi.
Ngiyazuthi njani?
Ngizwa ngithuthela phezulu. Ngathi ngezwa iwe rasta. Ngabe ngikwazi ukuthi
What the fuck, man?
swallowed by the crowd, my boy. Yebo lokuzami ngumalayithi ayangihamba la ngomkhazi nami la uthi ngusithole usiphahle. RIT ukhazi nami la but yathi yamfana namfuna umuntu engenasibindi. Sithola nzambi la futhi.
Wacwilisa.
Yathi yamfuna ngiqambe umuntu engenasibindi mina.
Tifu setown.
Indaba zo even into
Ngazibela
zamalift.
amadrama
Border.
ibhoda na. Ngaphandle kwakho khona indaba yamabizo naleyo ukuthi.
Hayi indaba yamabizo ayikho eswini.
Guys, mina ngasuka la ngayi-SA ngavalelwa i-COVID. So ngathi ngiphenduka lapha ngaphenduka vele ngingani ngumuntu onjani ongela passport. So ngisezimi i-passport yami ithi ngise-SA. Yeah, and i-overstayile.
Sufuna ukubuyela.
Sengifuna ukubuyela ndoda vele nganejob elalimele nike imali echizile vele sengibuyela lapha. Sengikhuluma nomunye umdala lapha na vele umdala yinye member yami ngithi vele sinseni ugatsha abantu mina njani ngifuna ukubuyela ngani cause ngathi mbuya ngapha vele mina kanjani ngangena ebhasini kanjani amphumanga mfuba uyela the same way avele ngahlabona indlela echicha ngaye ngenzela ngayo la semphomba ukuthemba ukuthi ngumdala wami kuphela athi avisi imali engaka sile sibhadale lapha vele hlungene ebhasini vele ngahlabona lebizo lebhasi yangikhona vele ethiwa i-big tree mntana
laba ngiyazi le
like the cornflakes bro
le ifana yibhasi othi ayibi ngemshikashika
Big tree.
Ngahle
Bale depo.
mfana lapha ngabona khona ukuthi kuzayilahla yabona those type of buses ukuthi ungangena one side ile 2 seats one side ile 3 seats
GVM AVM
umfana actually phandle hey right phakathi bro ngabe ngena mina ebhasini mfana hamba lapha ibhasi chayile kuze yabe sifike emakhado lapha ibhasi yabe njani yabe ipaka
So Cherry's man.
hayi try kwabe kuthithwa ama-gram VI 5
Nginani.
kwathiwa wonke umuntu ongela passport ngenani ku-gram VI le
wait
Ngathi
lapho
vele
liya e-SA
siya-SA sangena kuma-gram VI mfana I don't know how much you know i-Bait Bridge kule indawo kuthiwa imashakata so kunje it's like the country park of Bait Bridge
Wena wayefundiswa ludubo lawe so.
no ngangasebenza e-Bait
Lo
Bridge
wasebenza e-Bait
oh
Bridge.
ngangasebenza e-Bait Bridge so mina ngangikwazi singa Yabo, mfana.
ngiyayibhebhile
i-gram VI leliya nani so bro I think nalihamba ngo-140 yini lathi lifika labe lingena kwenye i-dusty road so la ngena ngani liya-drifta mina la
umuntu kafiki la
bro laphana sasiphekho njengezikafthini cause lalingela lokhuzeni
abe nginama-seat vele
ngongela masiti
liyaxuthiswa so
Bambelela
sahamba so
siyajika.
safika sayehliswa kwenye indlu emakhado so sathola kulabanye abantu abayi-2000 labo bemelele ukuchachisa mina inhliziyo yami lapha yathi mfana yami namhlanje uchapha phansi kwebridge la akula kuzathi zahlala
wait abantu sibili badlula phasi kwebridge lelana
mongi
ibridge lelana amanzi lelana lebhoda
There's a way.
Jay
Where there's a wheel.
ibhasi asikwazi thinga sesihleze endlini le akula 69 akula manzi okunala
ngabe uloku phiswa komchuchuchu vele
so imoto ke kumele izolithatha endlini ani ilicrossise from
yaqala
Zim
sithathe
to
ebhasini yazi khangani imoto ezijiyeniyo because khangani abantu laba bona vele umsebenzi wabo ukucrossisa so babebhadale yikwini ibhasi
Ibhasi.
abagumaguma
so babuya bathi abahamba ibhasi le bathathwa
Big
bahamba
three.
so kwakungamabhasi amaningi
Yes.
so
bus.
babeleke bathi right abahamba ngo-big tree ngobani sathi labana njani kutho ukuthi engxenye siyacrossa ngani nge-grand via la
Yeah.
manje i-grand via likhanya phambili ngale alilamawindi liyiphaneli
yeyi
mfana la litshaya mfana lihamba uzwe ukuthi lapha liyahamba yawenza isawundi liyanethi
songani sokubhayinda so
bro lahamba so i-grand via ngezwa ukuthi yalapha sethareni ngezwa sokuthi nalapha sesiseku-dusty road lapha lithi lihamba gum lijayelela so lihamba lithi gum lithi kwa uzwe
Laya
ukuthi
kujump.
lapha sathi sifika lapha libhreka lathi ngeza kanti libhreka njani uzwa phumani right omama phambili obabemuva
Kusenza njani?
so crosswa la
angiboni ukuthi singa I think kathesi is about 12 midnight but e-Bait Bridge safika ngo-6 samba laphana samba vele indlela ngiyibona ukuthi yangasiphombha ukulandelana kuphela vele wesibuna kwakuthiwa wena ongani lijaye ndihambe emuva then ngemuva kwami kwakuleyi-1 ngithi ngiyathi mbone thutsho ukuthi sesikhangele ibridge le-Bait Bridge siphansi lona liphezulu
serious
Yeah.
safika
izinto ngiyazi ukuthi
safika
njani
saquthiswa kwenye indawo
amanzini
so
lapha
Mana.
Kuthiwa-
Laqutha.
Chetelani ngapha kule chetelani ngakhanya amathoshi siqute thulani izwi akunento light ifoni la sathula kwathi wafika kungamapholisa zanunguna sukumani sapi bro I felt like a kid in kindergarten nje sifika lapha le bridge kwathiwa amanzi agcwele right sabe sihamba ekuqaliseni kwebridge so sabe sesidlule ibhoda sabe siyibhodile ngala wasiqanisisa phezu kwebridge mina I thank God at least asidlule emanzini kwathiwa right
Cape Breeze.
tshani straight ngebridge lize lefika ipholi lelane le-street kwapha kulo ndoda ogqoka into enje so sesisodwa sebesidampile safika lapha so lapha yabona lapho oqalisela khona ifence yebhoda yeSA okuphelela khona ibridge kule yinye indawo khona kweqwa khona ibridge lehlele phansi futhi sifika khombana sayiqa kwathiwa kuculani khona apha salitshela lingeza ukukhwela olunje lisukume ligijime lihambe straight ngendlela le ngelayini nale bro sagijima nje ukhwelo soluchayile
khona abantu abadala
bro and into lena it looks so normal to amanye amapholisa because ayesimile esikhangile so ebomba uhliyeka nje sahamba so sifika lokho besintshana lo ndodo ogqoke nje ngeza lithatha lisuse lapha yazi sahamba I think ijourney lana it felt like walking from town to maybe Luvivi bro that journey was so long I think sahamba 2 hours bro it was long because ngokumele sibhode ibhoda and level straight level straight yazi but sathutshelanga yalibona i total lana ngangangale
wathuthela khombana
ngemuva kwayo ngemuva kwayo lapha kulapho
wait
yabona igarage lapha bakuchiya khona wena
usuke ngenyawo
yes
from Bay Bridge
yes
mawuthola lungisa passport
velo kana nje
usungenile emesina
mawuthola ithuba lungisa
sangena jeki
ungakwe experience akawami kana
ngemuva kwalo
Solina kazi la suke Bay Bridge phela lihamba ngenyawo lisemesina phela
lo bekoli ngenyawo lo bekoli ngenyawo okubhasi lokho bebungikhuluma
long walk to freedom my boy
Thina sengifila ngana ama problems angaka sona
avele kunjalo
amanga utshele nje
yiko ubona konje passport iqathe ula passport ngizothetha ufike kwena
hayi issue so uthi even wale passport ingachisi
wena
passport
after my last horrible experience ngahle ngayi yazi into eyayihlala ngenza ama experience la ukuthi ngithanda ukuphusha lamajita yabo
for the plot
so nanyabela into zami ukuthi ngiyamfuza enza iorder but amajita ethi wena don't worry siya cross nase don't ukuhamba uma ngonke la ngiyi1 ngizigadela ukuthi hayi already asingene kumala ichaweni nalo wena
when Mondle, what was your closest experience to
nothing dog
funny animal
all right no besides passport ebhoda alright
ngaphandle kwepassport yami lo munye uMondle engingamaziyo otshone ngiphuzisa ebhoda
la imi asazi lo munye uniform ongiwa moyo lo mphuzisa ebhoda
ngaphandle komunye uMondle lo undodo otshone ngiphuzisa ebhoda
hayi le indaba le yethusa njani
no Rivana lo
yethusa njani
dog la nxa ungela cala ungabona sebebizana benyezelana
asikuthile vele
nabona umgcini basebemile lapha nekho ngangisenza for the first time uhamba labo umgcini basebemile lapha nekhona yabona ukuthi yesongani kubanjwe isela usakubizwana sebephasela ngepassport so kuthiwa alright iline ayitshintshe hamba le ngena ngale sebememeza ombe so akwazi bakubiza bethini nanso bazayithatha so ipassport yakho sidindisiwe silungisiwe begcina bedindela abanye ofuna maye befuna bazaqhubela khona la uma bengafuni bazaqala bedindele sebeqhubela ipassport bazayijika futhi
online boys me was scared ngangisesa ukuthi bazangitshona kuyicheck lokhana yocala check wezini
amna kanjani
he's got drugs up the rectum
I'm like hey
mina baye banditesta ama drugs
Kabelo
natshela izitori zonke
ay Kabelo wasikhwela
mina sengalala emabhoda wonke futhi sengalala eLivingstone sengalala eRamakhwebana Liane Uppington to Namibia kwakuyisikhathi sami lapha ngangisalimonya ngaba limonya ngidala ngalitshela so ngangijoin igym nganama kharikuya
ain't no fucking way
get it
ngaba limonya
ngaba limonya lingana
in your mind maybe
Kabelo channel
hey shut the fuck up
mana Lawrence
labana angazama uphusha isimonya yabo
right perfect
but that's how I gained my weight. You remember how skinny I used to be? Lapho ngabakwazi ngoprice obe angicakile na before so labana ngalama whey protein lama pills amanye umene wanathi after not umvunza nkunzi bafethu sengiyibambe lapha masinya nje
ivayakla
vele sakhuluma uJomlwana futhi kade ku Twitter kade trend lo nomvuza nkunzi lo afana ku Twitter mina anyway so mina labana so kumele ngiye eNamibia but angifuni ukuchiya ama supplements ami nabe mbonga uthatha isigubhe esi1 ngahlanganisa inkitho creatine amaphilisi amavara faka isikhwameni angathi ngifike ebhoda bayimisa ibhasi
hola Pablo
una sebekhipha ama test tube babo so but yazi into lesangayikhuluma futhi ngayikhuluma athi ngayikhuluma kwaba podcast angisakhumbula into engizikhuluma la kwesinye isikhathi ibhoda security ngabe ku check lapha what they're really looking for mostly is i-reaction yakho. Umuntu guilty vele you uzaginqa. Otherwise put a sinjani isibhayi.
Yethusa phe ibhodeka iseqesweni yethusa.
Relax. Ngakwazi uzomnanga kwasala kuqala. Lethe bangigombolozela ngagonjolozela SAPS or whatever. Abe immigration.
SAPS.
Bagcwala wonke umuntu wabisele ebhasini ngasala ngiyi-1. Ngahanjiswa kwenye i-office kodwa kuyini lokho.
Shate creative.
Sengathi bona boza the girlies they don't like this.
Bro.
I'm trying to get some
I'm
twist.
just trying to get fat, dog.
What hayi xabile umuntu arekehlele. Waletha ama Benson Bena. Lama bika.
Bakutesta boy.
Bafaka sibona bathela ama solution abasheka bathi. Ngoba i-ready lapha mfana.
It's unpure.
Fela phakathi. Blue letha leli philisi. Ibhasi yama 30 minutes iminute.
And I'm sure everyone in the bus is now pissed at you, my boy.
Maybe into lezi kumele ngiyirephe ngayo. Mina ziningi into engarephi ngazo.
So manje njengoba lawa usuphuzisa ebhasini akulo wakuthintayo mhlambe wathi I miss you.
Yazi cheka amabhasi lokuza useless. All customer care. Amabhasi
Ngicela ama-phone number. Bevuke besithi baby.
sengake ngachiwa amabhasi ngabuya sengiqedisa ngelokuze nini. Sengiqedisa ngama-lift ngibuya la ibhasi ngaze ngayithole nasty bangimelele nasty ngathi limelele lani enasty la limelele lani nasty
Ngathole khambili.
Ngomelele nasty mina sengenza inkinga kanjalo ibhoda vele
Ndoda manje uthi umember wemvusankunzi wife mina engiyaziyo uchomlana wafaka imvusankunzi kuJojo Tank eChurch.
lwana
I
lisatha
read that article. It's at like at somewhere.
Kwangasocheche sabatheni.
I can't remember but I know ukuthi
Wow uqambisa abantu.
No. Into le yaphuma
No,
ku
into
newspaper.
yaphuma ku-newspaper.
For real lapha
This
zim.
bro, yes.
Wabulawayo.
Wabulawayo.
So kutheni kanti?
Wathatha iViagra ethi Jojo Tank phambi the-church.
hayi into machenzana
Imagine if it was camp, boys.
Monkey.
bazozothaba kakhulu
Moke thabile.
Monkey. Ufuna ukukhuluma la?
Moke thabile. Hanya imagine wona camp.
amahora
Awumongo ube happy
Kama
kakhulu.
Sutra.
hayi
Loke then understand. Ikempu la ibona ukuthi i-setup yangu khona ama-tende
Usuke waba
lapha.
happy kakhulu.
Ngasitshana indaba.
Yekelana omongi
Sujambisa.
ama-intrusive thoughts aba.
Mana
It is
nje
what it is.
uthe ini yafakwa ngapi?
Imvusankunzi Viagra.
into lezi
Phakathi kweJojo Tank?
yeah bro.
Phakathi kweJojo Tank. Remember I think wayefuna imutra yeputra iyenza.
Zwanini la manje isikhathi abantu bebonga uvuntu bazinqantshele echechi sebedinga iscapegoat sokuthiwa nguBryce ngimbonile
Ngimbonile
umuza
methele
kuJojo
imvusankunzi.
Hayi
No, but
akula.
this was an actual article. bro.
karabafundisi
Eyaphuma ku-newspaper.
babhonyelwe just
Koso utheni?
I don't know. I think wayefuna ukuyenza for the plot. I think
la ibukela for the plot
for the plot.
No, hayi there's nothing like that. For the
You know what?
plot.
Yeah, ikhona in Chronicle.
Vaseline. Yeah.
kulomuntu okwabona
Still on that note, wayembona lana omunye umntwana la owatrendayo like I think it's a 10-year-old boy owadla i-blue pill ebona ngani yi-sweets.
What
Manje
happened?
the parents the mom uyamrekhoda uthi keep ibhrugwe.
Khumula. Umamzazi khiphi pipi.
Umfana yome.
Ugqoke.
kule enye ichoma kade trenda kade adi ukuthi lama ngisilandanga isitori sakhona Twitter. I think he's in a relationship but he was he was flaunting some relationship whatever and then some girl was exposing him indaba lana uMJ yakwazi ade yabeyazi ukuthi indaba le utsho umlwana ngani kunomnye inkazana no expose ukuthi ade beku get away wonke ubutsho umuntu eselokhu zenini ese toilet umbube nga cherana wasevuwa emoteni wasevuta isikhwama wasethola i-variety i-assorted biscuits yama-Viagra
I-choice.
ndoda utsho ube lephilizi lento enathiwayo le-powder le elakho konke nto
Serious about the game.
Awemlungiselele.
but ngani indaba yakhona is much more serious than indaba yomvusankunzi le isisiba indaba ka-PDD baby oil ukuthi obviously it's the headline grabbing part of the story but there is
To
more
distract
serious
you.
things yeah because ngani kule ndaba ze-sexual assault phakathi ngani utsho mna nama-pending case ngani kulo nkaza no-exposayo ukuthi she was sexually assaulted on that trip whatever but obviously i-Twitter yona isihleka ithi
Wait, ku-trip kanti lihamba ngalonke?
Alright,
Alright, mina sithanda kakhulu, alright,
anyazi to be honest but I know ukuthi ngapho ngono essay anjani ngoba sebebhala ku-sexual assault abasabhala ukuthi babhala essay So about the city, you get ukuhleka into emvusa inkunzi lezi because you're taking away from the serious story that's going on here. Ukuthi uChomlonga ubamba ngodli.
Remember kuthiwa wayele pill rack emvusa
On that note, nxa ukhuluma njalo, are you saying ukuthi even last week laphana we're being taken away from the main story as a poster?
Ngubani? Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Because check, I'm happy ukuthi wabona kade sihle ukuthi lama comments aphuma njani because that was also our experience during the podcast. Halfway through it we also didn't realize ukuthi because even afterwards akhuluma amajidi ukuthi my chance did we make head or tail of that story?
Story is not balanced.
Check. I mean, I like, okay, for context, guys, we were talking about
episode 223.
Episode edlulile, the last one before this one. I got this was the corner Uchomo Chwangu Lawrence. While they wanted poster for getting away with a car,
And
house
money.
keys, and some money.
He's wanted in South Africa. Guys.
Yeah,
To be
he's-
honest, his story is very crazy, but it's just that there were things he couldn't say here. Like,
Bro,
stories.
like-
We have a big under 30 minutes.
Like, I met someone, even my girlfriend, two people saying, which, okay, episode lana angayiqedi lokho ngiyibukela mbijana because ngiyaphelelwa ngama-bundles ka-a.
Chomla is a crazy story. He just said some things he couldn't say here because it's a public platform.
All right, in short,
dog,
like
say it.
into engikhuluma ngayo, in short, that guy wathandana lo muntu omdala bafeba baplana ukuchata wabembhabhathiza
Man.
Wait, wapapathiza omunye.
Walana vene baba.
Babatizo i-sugar mama yakhe.
Sugar mama umbhabhathiza.
Exactly.
To which church?
Dog, now if you go watch the previous,
Wait,
we
to which
asked him
church?
like 4 times.
What
What do you mean?
What
How?
do you mean?
And we couldn't get a straight
Baptized
answer out of
how?
him. Cabanga wena ukuthi as baby, I think.
Wapapathiza ethapini. Ngaphi?
Yes.
Wait.
See, that was a part of
Gobani.
Exactly.
So you
Njani?
guys are asking the right questions. We also asked him and we couldn't get an answer. But
Okay, okay. Umbhabhathiza bese.
Then he was I think we're taking Zindlu move by essay. He was
Wait,
forex trading.
wesuka la.
basuka la.
yeah.
Harare, yeah.
Harare.
And then when they got to SA, their relationship was tumultuous. They broke up.
That was nice English, my boy.
He left with a BM,
Yeah.
and then he went and sold it. And she too went to the cops and said he stole the BM,
Sexy
and now
BM.
he's a wanted man.
Fana uthatha sexy beamer.
Damn.
Hayi mota kashaka lana hayi.
Yeah, no. Hectic. Hey, bro, get it how you can. Hey,
Wow.
hey.
Konabo, I'm trying to open
Spoke.
the comments because we had said to this comments. But anyway, in Savula, like, does any one of you, all right, man, calling our money. Have you ever dated an older woman? Like maybe 5 years, 5 year gap,
Lingeqi
and old.
Awa.
And how was your experience?
Yeah, I said awa. I have
was
no
it?
experience. 5 years or older.
Have you dated a younger guy?
Yeah, ingakwazi kodwa.
That's not fun.
Age difference.
Ngabakwazi. No, ngabakwazani. Ngahle ngamdela athi right.
What was the age?
I'm
It
sure.
was 4 years.
Oh shit.
God damn.
That's close.
You got that?
No,
is
like
close.
body wise,
yeah.
wengakhanyi,
Ah,
nani
when
wangakhanyi.
it's the other way around.
Nah, bro.
So find out ngabomo.
Ngafana mina vele ngiyaguduza ngikunje endlini bana ngizasala ngisenzani. Ngizadinga amaphepha nte amaphilisi ngigoogle amabizo.
Kwakungela kodwa ama-tells. Wayengatsho ukuthi how ref.
What are they so saying?
Nigga over there.
Ngicela imsukumise lemhlayisa lapha.
Some things, bro, is like, grown-ass man, how ref.
No, ngase Nkolumi. But ibehavior yakhe sometimes ayitshengisa ukuthi awuna mashuwaldo. Awuna mashuwaldo. Isengufone call usubanga umsindo. Ukenzelani khona lokwenzana umna wami? Behave. Behave.
That girl is a strict, bro. You can't even. Girls are talking bro.
Yeah, I was behaving like that.
Damn.
Yeah, wayebheva njengomntwana uyabona ukuthi ngufone call lo muntu engikhuluma la isikhathi sonke lesobuthuli sengikhuluma phone call sofukhuluma
Sencelebeleni.
sefuna ukuthi umuntu oright
attention.
hey I was like bra no
Correct.
No,
Now-
I was just saying, involve me.
Put
me in
Involve
there.
me.
This is a 3-way call, all right.
Hey,
through
So very ultimately it was a bad experience.
Yeah, it was.
So
But money-wise, it wasn't.
Okay, so the money was the
money was
highlight of the relationship.
Let me tell you, boys.
So kumnandi
You
uba
need
likhukha.
coins in this life.
Huh?
Eh?
Mana wena.
Yeah.
Ikuba likhukha,
Do you get me, dog?
No,
it's fine.
but no.
You feel me, bro?
Ukuba likhukha yaba
Exactly,
kunguye imali.
yeah.
No, wait.
Aye,
I didn't know. Han? Lapho lalela I didn't know. Lapho sengikwazi.
Oh.
Han? Lapho semplaya lo mbhayikho ke sengicaphula ibehavior yakhe.
Price.
Wayesekuhlabile.
Price.
No.
Price.
Price, stop
Ukuba
that.
likhukha ngokweminyaka. Vana nga usukhipha imali then ikusungushuga mama yabo.
Mina ngase sugar mama.
Plus futhi ukuba
Because la maybe icaba ngithi maybe umntwana but wangacaba ngithi umntwana.
Ukuba likhukha
Because was
futhi-
umngani wami. Yabona ukuthi umngani wami right segraduateile. Obviously thina sayalingana wona vele ngahlamba inkulumo zakhe lezo ukuthi small boy. But hayi imali at money.
DJ
Ngale ke wayesuyini.
Ngale nga.
Kathu price.
Ngala.
Ngale nga.
Sure kuyini wona no zip.
Ku pleasure.
No zipho.
As
No
the line of
zipho.
questioning yakho.
Angifuni ukumfaka ipressure. Ngifuna ukuzwa ngeplay.
Line of questioning nga price lani I'm busy stroking my meat right now.
How is
No,
it?
but kubeka monge ubusithini?
Vele bangalitshela khona lokho.
Hayi problem ukuthi qala ukhuluma
Guys,
ngemvusankuzi.
bese ku-podcast lezi zinto engeke ngizikhumbule. Lama potential ami lapho liyamphapisela inyoni ngeke
Alright,
ngitshele. Asitshane
but
lapho.
pongenza so.
Ngifuni.
Blink if it was good.
DJ
Blink twice if it was
Don't blink twice if I was good, okay? No.
Yeah, blink up.
No, sengikhipha ama-glasses kule live guys, come on. Kule live,
Mina ke ngiphuma ku sex life kaMongi lapha. Ke please, bathi zalukazi intwana uyaphepha.
Sisuka ku breeze sibuya kuwe mvanje.
ubaba ngasiwa ngifuna ukukhulumela mic isawona kana umfana lo yakwazi.
Umjikjik.
Ubaba right
Price obambelele
church.
Usheshe?
Usahlabela?
Ukumasquire. Uhlabela umasquire.
Nakona lie.
Breeze ubusithini nje.
Uhlabela ku.
Uhlabela umasquire.
Wesilamu ngahlabela
Mas
kuwe.
kwani.
Nanye umasquire.
Into yesabatha?
Yes, yeah.
Umasquire.
Mina esabathele ke ngabaphathizwa.
Wathola kulo bantu nokwara.
No, kwakulompofu.
Finish. Ayiqhubeka nje mlami.
Ke breeze bathi wena izalukazi.
Adult what kuka.
Mina
It's a
into
yes,
zabo
it's a yes,
zawo
it's a
mama
yes.
lezi vile sengathi.
Hayi. Ukhuluma
Wayefuna
ama-experience.
ukusixoxela last episode manje angikwazi kuhamba njani. Xoxa
Awula
na.
nto angifuna ukuxoxela yona.
Yazi le
No, it's your
addiction
time to shine.
yeVaseline. Every after 5 seconds kumele ngiyigcoke.
Why?
Yakumbukela new girl dog.
Angikhothi
No, angambukeni.
Oh ushimiti kule enye lokuze nina yobuza lokuze nanje umbona uprice ngayibuza ukuthi awufa pleasure wise ayisithi eyibuza ngedong yonye umjida. Yabe isithi okay fine just tell me when to stop.
I think I saw that.
You didn't tell me when to stop. What? What? This is ridiculous. I'm starting again. Well, was
usathi ngicommente.
But engxenye ufuna khona ukumongi. Sikwenze.
Ewini.
Jana lo Mongi.
Chana no more.
Tshana nami, please.
If you want to Nicole into zakhe la. Sengilibonile ingqondo zakhe.
Kasi angikwazi ukupodcast le guys.
It's very
Ipodcast lezi isenzela into eziningi. So le selefuna
Breeze, when I know you've got a story.
Story mina ngoba price khoma ngani. Listen, the first 5 people to WhatsApp me on 078-3349-439 and tell me the name of the venue we shoot our podcast will each get $10 iko cash bye.
Umondli ngale uhle wasivala.
Ani alivala nga chance.
Man, sesikhuluma ngawo sikhulumi la.
Uthi bambe khona la. Bambe.
Mina I'm not ageist mafana mami.
No.
Anyone can get him, my
It's
boy.
not being ageist, right? You've had an experience. Like compared, like under normal circumstances, you date someone younger than you, right? Lena Vede is an abnormal circumstance. Yeah.
Mina sadly bro. I've dated less people that are younger than me.
yini indaba isipiliyoni.
Angazi dog. Angazi.
Okay. Naye uthola vela ngujaji.
Will you see
Unabantwana
but
abancane
charge la?
Abantwana abancane ngani bangehlula mina.
Uthi, I think indaba age gap is very
That was quick, Mongi.
no indaba age gap is serious.
Abantwana
happened?
abancane bangiconfuse.
Understand kwakho I was too quick.
I didn't understand.
No, I was
I
quick.
had to.
So what's the normal age gap, Chins?
Yabazali bethu.
As long as they are young.
Abazali thola maye bethina ama tennis kodwa guys.
It is what it is.
Abado kamgabelo lokuze nini madoda. Hey.
Chris. It was crazy.
40 something dog.
Ima wo. Ukawubona iclip kaJulius esecourt. Court ukayibona.
Lo mfazi
Khona
wakhe.
umfazi wakhe.
Oh le baby
Umfazi
right.
wakhe la?
Boys,
Yeah.
let me tell you
The
something.
man pulls.
In this life, coins, boys.
The man pulls. But lena agency lena.
Also, he's
Outside
a
of coin.
politician, which means ring.
But outside of that, I mangu tshele tshele. Ungadeli Julius. Oh Julius asobo bo thongo bani labo bo
No, my chat is
Niggas
Supply.
cooking ne?
no.
Boys.
Ocho ngabana bayapheka. Zuma wayepheka.
Zuma wayepheka.
Umsholozi.
Sholozi wayede ora dog.
Ulokuza
leya.
Ulokuza is a great personality. You see that clip of him when he was on a date lo lasizwe.
I didn't watch it.
That shit is dope.
Ngehlike lo tosicane nathuza.
Kanti thini ngani?
Le loki diveta le ngoba yona ayila story.
Engoba.
Engubaba.
Oh.
Thanda ingane.
Tanje ngani?
Hey man, you know.
Hayi, paralika ibuzi.
Ababaza umba se post girlfriend
Guys,
ngizobambena izandla.
try catch them young.
Mana baba.
Catch them
Hey,
young, watch them
hey,
grow.
hey.
Hey, catch them young. So ujole high school
Yay.
wena.
Anything after 12 is lunch.
Clip layer is such
Mina, I won't be a part of this.
Yeah.
I just
Allegedly, anything
Aye.
after 8
I
is
will
breakfast.
not. Yay. Wena baba wamosha
So
kana.
basically, no. Besikhuluma
Ubode umntwana right?
ngozuma.
I think a podcast.
Hayi ngingane grand nomfethu.
Damn, bro.
Lokhu sahambe cheshe.
Kuhle futhi like Sarah.
Lokhu sahlabela.
Ungabe yazi.
Damn. Cabanga uthiwa ujula lo muntu ongenisa abathe.
What's wrong with SDAs?
Alright, on besabatha nje.
Ngena ngasibili lami.
Okay, cool.
No
Ngivela ama personal
Bemfuna
issues.
ukuthini? Bemfuna ukuthi fuck, I forgot what I wanted to say now.
Besikhuluma ngozuma nje labo bani.
Oh yeah, ukuthi those guys have great personalities.
Ndawo
Have great
abadala.
personality.
Uthi unithanda abantu abadala. Ona abathandi.
Oh, Jordan Peterson has a clip also where he talks about why women are usually attracted to men who have great verbal fluency, which is why musicians, actors, it's a sign of your utility when you are really good at talking. So politicians,
Yeah, politicians are.
especially the charismatic ones, they really pull.
H.E. Julius.
Lamer.
Zuma
Ambona
might have
sisters.
been the goat.
Kati
Uzuma
lokuzwa
think wayesidla kakhulu ngebag nje.
kati bathi Trevor Noah yihofa
Ubani?
uTrevor
uTrevor.
What's happening?
Indaba
What's happening? Angayizwa indaba kaTrevor.
bathi uTrevor after what babizwana after 9 after
For
12
real?
Akubashaye ngecontact.
Leyo ngayizwa nti. But like akulanto substantial.
hey who was saying it kanje
There was
what everyone in kwakuyisikhathi ekhulume ngani wayekhulume ngeAmerica or something kare ekhulume ngani uTrevor
kwangela Doni phakathi.
Donald Trump
Wow, that's when I remember.
yeah but they said some shit like yeah everyone knows your boyfriend or I was like yee.
Do you know when people say everyone knows your boyfriend? Show us. We don't know.
Sitshele la.
Ngani
For the plot.
ama best kept secrets eHollywood lapha ukuthi uthiwa uTrevor that would
Kana kuphuma kuma Epstein lokana lakho kophuma.
Trevor.
Trevor?
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Kaphuma.
Yeah.
No, but
maybe just during the
then
same
it was-
period.
Yeah, it was somewhere there.
Yeah, but
Because that's when I
I
heard ukuthi
la mntwana ngayala shit.
Thawula ama UFO lapha.
is on the baby oil items.
Did you see ama files lana kuthiwa man alien files kwasha kwacima.
Asebafuna declassified. Do you believe in aliens? We've asked you this before on the podcast.
Personally, I don't.
I do.
No.
I think it's very
I
arrogant
don't.
of you to assume that out of all these planets, it's just you.
Wena lenzinza
Uwe
zakho.
la-
Like
Uwe nentshebe
you are the
zakho.
highest form of life.
Breezy out of your ngindo.
Abethi inzinzi.
No, dog.
Uyazithanda
It's
vele.
I
Uyazithanda
think
yini
Intshebe
okuyilethele
zivele-
bread yakhe nje.
Vele into ezileba unwele ngani uyazithanda.
Lapha songenela sesikhitha ama stray lapha mondla.
Latest
Right,
legend.
1-1.
latest
Usubuyile, sekuyisilo.
Singayilapho.
Why do you not believe in aliens, bro? What's your qualm?
I don't know, man.
You guys are probably not even flat earthers.
Ama-movies
It's
just one of those things.
I'm surrounded by
Alien.
apes.
Kunjengendaba yama-dinosaur che.
I'm on the fence.
You're on the fence. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay to be on the fence.
Kunjengendaba yama-dinosaur, bro. Like, it's one of those.
But like,
Okay,
if
sharp.
you believe that there's animals that can go extinct, dinosaur is so lad.
Ah, not only that, bro. Did you guys see ukuthi sokule outbreak here?
Varasenja.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Hunter.
Not even an outbreak. That was the wrong word. There's been an increased occurrence of ama crocodile akhwela isihlahla. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yeah. I saw it online.
Yes,
So all my clips. And over the last 10 years, because we might be actually watching a next
new-
step in
yeah.
evolution. Yes, abantu behlala bekhuluma ukuthi if we evolved from thina
crocodile
Doda, akungena online one of my
okay.
clips akhona. They even explained if frequency yakhona is getting higher by the year. Ukuthi-
Crocodile.
Yeah, ukuthi in the next 100 years,
Yes.
in the next 100 or 200 years, a crocodile might easily become
Yeah.
tree-dwelling animals. And that's how evolution works.
Wow.
And for people who doubt what evolution is actually a thing, if you live for the next 50 years, we might get to see an increased frequency of utu woke pundu, uthole ingwenye phezu kwesihlahla.
Which is crazy.
Which is crazy.
Imagine.
Evolution, bro.
Evolution.
That's why I'm saying dinosaurs probably.
Yakazi, bro, you just have to look at how people have evolved even in the last 100 years. And then you look at how old the human race is, how old the planet is. It leaves so much unanswered, which you have to assume there's a lot that happened before. And yeah, ama-alien akhona ebhayibhilini ngangalitshela mina futhi lokho akhona ama-alien ebhayibhilini.
Ebhayibhilini angaboni man. Kodwa mina
U-Elijah
ngiyakhona.
wathatha kwini
Uthi spaceship.
inqola yomlilo.
Inqola yomlilo.
Inqola yomlilo.
Kwakuyi-UFO.
So now explain this to me.
Ake limit.
Lalela,
China was
it's-
confused.
Lalela, it's 6,000 BC.
Actually, I'm locked in now. Uthi
You
kwenze
know,
njani?
Lalela,
interesting.
it's 6,000 BC.
Right.
The most advanced mode of transportation you know in Ngola.
Chariot.
So you have nothing to compare with. Ngekuthi iframachina ngoba iframachina uyazi. For example, lathi khathesi, the most advanced thing we know is probably ama-jet lama. So if we see something coming from,
Yeah,
we'll
ticket.
just say, oh, it's like an airplane or it's a flying thing. That's how we would document it. It was an airplane with lights. Now, this is pre-flight and this is pre-electricity. So how would you explain a flying saucer elama light lama beams? When inqola kodwa isemoyeni kodwa ilomlilo. Inqola yomlilo.
Conspiracy theory lawo.
Majensi inqola yomlilo.
Alright, yamthatha yamsanga.
He was an alien. It's an alien abduction. I don't know where they take it. I don't know.
No, but vele iBhayibheli yakhuluma
But just
ukuthi
'cause-
why ezulwini.
Ezulwini yakuye wena. Waje ucafa.
No, but no is.
But this is pre-flight where we believed ukuthi izulu
Oh,
liliya.
inqola kaJesu ke.
Exactly. Mina my question is now wathathwa i-alien wathini leyo yamsaphi?
Ngokuthiwa
And udinga
kafanga.
ufike njani?
Ngokuthiwa kafanga
Kafanga.
futhi. Yeah,
Exactly.
because he was abducted and he was
You
never
went to
seen
heaven,
again.
Mos.
Huh?
You went to heaven, Mos.
Well, now kudala asikabile tell you what i-Hubble telescope asikabi was out of space kwini. Ubonile kuzizothatha umuntu ihlichaye phansi la yithi. Usenga.
But ngamsanga nje.
But usenga ngithe cha ungakhulumi njengobabo wakatho.
No, ngiyacabanga kwinto kakhulu.
Jake Toba critical.
6,000 BC. This is 6,000 BC or 4,000 BC or whatever the time was. How do you then write down ukuthi you just say into yakhona ibinjengenqola majensi ibigcwele umlilo imithetho ihamba la ezulwini. Phela ungakhotha abantu ababeyakha i-Tower of Babel. Manje bayakha i-tower besezulwini.
Bangakwanisa.
Yeah, so they genuinely believed ukuthi ezulwini was up there.
So maybe phela uyabuya phela inqola evela
So
Ezulwini go up there.
i-SpaceX yeah.
Sikwazi ukuthi ezulwini
Nah,
wa.
boys.
Kungaphezulwini.
Ezulwini.
Angikwazi. But up there.
Up there.
Up there is not the one, boys.
Yes, it's
Wow.
definitely not the one.
Nah, it means Elon Musk and his boys have been to heaven if you're saying it's up there.
Engadlula phela.
We know
up
what's
there
up there.
Kule firmament.
Maybe up there
there.
yangikhona yadlula.
Majensi up there.
Abayazi ifirmament.
Kule firmament lamanzi.
Yiko mningi utsho. Uthi up there. Awwa.
Izadlula phela up there yangikhona emanzini yangikhona idlule iqhubeke.
Also anti down there kuthiwa is the earth's core washa kwacima.
Akule underground civilization down there.
hayi
Asithane ndakho. Sithane.
Yabo.
Asithane ndakho.
Kaloku abantu
Sitshayisana ngamakhanda.
abaphansi
6 feet gang wakwana.
Aliyazi lo kuze nini? Khane mbane ngambiza lapha sike so discuss ama conspiracy theory. Mina so asoma also the
but
word
yakazi bemfuku explain something yakho le eyama spaceship ngesikhathi sika Elijah. Yakazi okunya khona ukuthi uNkulunkulu athi isiqalo lesiphetho and thina i-technology esiyidevelopayo enxa i-technology vena wayecabanga ukuthi zaba khona ukuthi you know uNkulunkulu like it's just like a worm trying to understand a human being. If a human being is trying ukuthi ka kuyinto eyikhona kudala ukuthi laphana wayibisa too soon
Mana ngihamsi yonda fit.
Majenzi
Uthi wayifaka isikhathi sona lesandla.
akaba too soon
mani
Ngoba ikhipho ibise.
Leyazi tribe liyana ese I think it's in the Amazon. My facts are a little mushy right now. E worship uthi umuntu nguJohn owavela eAmerica.
Ain't no way, boy.
Ole data ka Google fast kathesi. Ole data lethi phone yami.
Uyakubukela i-documentary leno The Story of God. Eka Morgan Freeman, I think ikhona ku Netflix. Yes, ingahambelana lama conspiracy theories akho.
So, ngaka explain to you, I'm sorry. I explain to you. First of all, the term conspiracy theory was put into mainstream by the CIA around the mid-2000s because they really wanted us to be in a place where we cannot tell fact from fiction. So you flood the internet with such outlandish stories and then you start attaching them to things that are actually true. Whereas really, it starts looking like, yeah, form these stories crazy. Who's possible in the mix? So, bunch it together. My conspiracy theory. Para to possible Jeffrey Epstein.
Kuhle kuthi
But
Possibly the Mossad.
sikhuluma indaba yama spaceship ngesikhathi sika Elijah. Awuthi uNkulunkulu ehamba ngeHonda nje.
ain't no way, boy.
Yabafana besabatha la.
Lina, uEllen G White uthembe lina.
Udade ka White.
So la mani
So
cha.
udade ka White.
Mani cha ngiyocina. Kuthiwa if humans hayi ukuthi uCthulhu lina limasi. uCthulhu ngenye
Bani?
If humans did what?
uCthulhu is like
Lema mfisa uba umfana zinhlale so uyazi.
ukupasha.
Oh, ke Jeni monke.
Brook.
Next week ebengqoke ibroke. Aze ngihlezi hayi. Hayi kamnandi.
uCthulhu is some fictional god. Let's say like, okay, I'll use someone you know. Let's say you, or let's say Lucifer. Or we'll just use Lucifer. If Lucifer can be summoned by humans, until abantu benza ama ritual ukuthi wenze satanism benza zama
Sure.
If Lucifer can be summoned by humans that are so far beneath him, why can't humans be summoned by ants?
By ends.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're cooking, my boy.
And the truth is, technically we should be.
no kacook ya cheese
Lalela. Technically we should be able to be summoned by ants. So this guy was giving an example. For example, imagine usendlini yakho. So ubona ubunyonyo buchayiseke lapha. Would you not go look? Uthi, okay. Now secondly, imagine if unyonyo lobana buchayiseke so uqasa ukuchanta ibizo yakho. Uthi, Bryce. Uthi, it would be impossible not to go look if a circle of ants started chanting your name. Which, if you look at it levels wise, is what we are doing. They say, oh, Lucifer is, he's an angel. These guys have been around for millions of years or thousands of years or whatever.
Sure.
Right. And then you go address those ants, and those ants say, we've drawn a circle here with some salt, so you can't leave until you grant us a favor. And they're like, okay, I want to see where this goes. CT, and usually it's always dumb favors like, can you kill this other ant for us? Or can you give me a spoonful of sugar? Which for you is nothing. It means nothing. But it's going to make a great story. So you want to see where it goes. You're like, all right, so you want to see where it goes. And then at some point, maybe
you're the god.
You see, and this is like, how different is it from people summoning demons or angels and asking for blessings or asking, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So need to do a conspiracy theory.
Hi,
okay, please. Time go is.
awususile emakhugeni sibili
Uyibalekile into yakho. Wayifaka kuma alien.
Kube sifike nje uma alien because
Shout out for the derail my boy.
Awulenzi. Ngicela sikhuluma ngabo sisi lapha abantu abadala jiki.
But kuthiwa i-experience yakho
Sikhuluma inqola zomlilo.
Awubanisile.
Inqola zomlilo sasikhuluma ngama alien.
Wena smile sakile sasakuthi ishe.
Yeah, no, my boy. Run it back. Uthayizana ukazi sinjani boy.
No, but it's true, guys. Yeah.
So right, we're done.
Ama aliens.
Wadawenza part. Ama aliens sesizwe. Osisabadala ke.
As the sex drive abafazi is highest between their 30s going into their 40s.
Why? Because their bodies want to make more babies.
Bona umkhombela ngwazini. Wait, ubaba wazini. Bona
Phela
siyakhuluma.
mkhulumi.
Hayi, ukhuluma ngeze pum pum.
Prince for the pum pum.
Khona bebe busy lengane.
Awumase sithi hey, also uthiwa 30 to 40 sithi hey.
No. Yakwazi ukuthi mina ukuthi uK Breeze ubeke ngendaba ngendlela elohlonzi. Kuthiwa between 30 to 40 kule high chance yokuthi babe lesagweba.
Hey.
Yini
Sayisakhuma ngayo.
Isagweba.
I know i-topic lesakhuluma ngapha isagweba yini.
Don't worry when you turn 30.
So I have to wait for 5 years to be was isagweba.
I'm going to need cricketing.
No, as a futhi xoxela story. Wait 2 minutes. Sathi say eseyan. Hey.
Yosagweba.
Yabona actually babe sebengixoxela endli because mina I had to leave. Bahamba abantu angahamba la bahamba eKhukhuni. Take Khukhuni. Exactly. Bahamba eKhukhuni. I had to see a video usisi omdala efuna ekhalela umntwana ubhudo le 25 years. Ethi ngihamba lawe.
Shit.
Ubhudo uthi sithe mina ngikufuna wathi mina ngiyakufuna.
That's the gweb.
That's the squeezy.
Uyezwa? Usisi omdala anisho was that 5.
Do you know why
That is the
kakunjani?
squeezy, bro.
Do you know why
Base
kakunjani?
baphuma sesabadala sesisukuchaya nantsho yabazo sesibegwele lawo. Sebe threaten lona thina sesikuchaya. Cause ngeke uyalele emotweni utshela umfana osewutshethi angikufuni.
Awubona ngoSharlies they don't lie. Uthi
Awusabadala think
Umfana phela
serious.
lapha yabe active kakhulu kubo 25
Ufuna
lapha.
hey.
Lokiana Nicole.
Sisi olesebona sengaka.
Mongi.
Sengaka
Lokia.
sebona.
Isagweba.
uSharlies they don't know she was
Damn.
recently hooking up with a 25-year-old boy.
Oh damn.
Uthi, yeah.
Damn.
What do you mean?
Ilama flashbacks.
Khathi mina ngitheni?
Kuthiwa wena la uyi 25-year-old.
Hayi.
Mina besafuna ukuzwa ubaba umzosethi right.
Right, yes babo.
Hayi ngeke phela
Uthi wena experience yakho yesagweba.
I couldn't experience.
Nafuna ukuzwe lapha esikho sithi right because uso
No, indlela bekugast up ngayo dog.
Ibone something.
Utsho umlo pose.
Ibone something. Ubone.
Baba khuluma indaba yakho ndoda.
kakhulu baba ucotsha uva ukukhuluma indaba.
No.
No, ngendlela ivumele kakhulu wathi uthi photo usithi
No, ebona what happened
uvumela
was,
kakhulu.
I think funa kakhulu moro. There was this video I wona on TikTok and
Kuma ibono wena.
Ngiyeke ukhumele video. So sihlalela ivideo eTikTok.
So what happened?
Uvumela
No,
wonke
so what happened was uchera ngona I think she's above 30. In wayikhuluma into nale ukuthi the moment you reach 30 what on. So ngiyangena ku comment section abana yabona sikulo cheri bakuvumela. And then I see a name that I know. Like ekusupport kwinto wangikhona.
Why sitting after 30 is Bonyana?
Hey baba. Hey baba. So kwabe kusenzakala ukuthi one of my friends actually abayazani bona but they are all right mina imengibaziyo. I know the guy from somewhere else. I know the lady from somewhere else. Exactly.
Come together.
And then my boy starts shying the item. After I saw those.
Imutra ya putra. Ndiyabona abafana
So I go ukuthi no like.
After sibone comment.
Exactly.
But iniphelele sisendela sethe salike ama reels uIGC sendele slide.
Endisithumela shem.
Mina nahle nguthethe so ungisendela ila ekhili.
Yes.
Manje thina siyenza njani emergency njengoba lina lifuthi thatha uchera aba 5 years younger than you when by the time usule 42 babo yena bekhona ku 36 lapha.
Elesagweba.
Lapha
And wena
mfanye
iqolo selidinwe.
yena iyabiduma nje umuntu akashaka.
yikho kusenza khona ibhuru khona
Yabona khona
Umuntu nomsindo le.
yabona
Yabona
khona
khona-
phani sesifuna imvusa nkunzi.
ibhuru esebenza khona manje
Hey,
Imvusa nkunzi ke.
Ubani?
But I think ekuyeni ngikho konke. Take care of yourself, my dog. Run
Yeah,
if you need
'cause
to.
just statistically,
Dlana kuhle
into
if you
ekhona.
need to, so that you don't have to take.
yeah.
Mvusa nkunzi.
Ciao ginger. Angwazi.
because
Yeah, bro.
statistically really like most married women are bound to cheat between that age.
Really?
My
So vese
stars.
ungachati until 40.
hayi khani sokusiya ngokuzibamba kwakho nokuthi umjido wakhe yamitha inamanitsi akho
It's just an ask. I'm just asking how.
Umongi really
yamitha
landed too
inamanitsi
quickly,
akho
bro.
because as umjida uyaphangisa
Ayibuzeli.
ukudinwa ngesikhathi umjida wakhe dino wena yikho phika khona
Ish.
How you know that, my boy?
ufana
Hayi.
Vele uprice flat la solo sineqile
yabule
embuzweni
40
yethu.
yena ekuvusa nkunzi stage
Isagweba.
stage
Ku 31.
Uvusa nkunzi.
ekusagweba stage wena suchaya ibhuru phela ukuthi
So manje ukrenke.
wena befuna 4 rounds wena ukwanisa a half
Ah, lokana.
Uyichacha
Kusempilweni lokana madoda.
Hayi into ezikhona.
Ikamanye amadoda
Hawu,
sechawo
into ezikhona,
mama.
bro.
Thola umuntu sesilwa lo mama ngoba. It's just your own inadequacies. You can't keep up with
Your age mates.
the Red Bull car. So no. Hayi, lokana vele chana la kuma. Asiyene uyi Aston Martin nga.
Lola lo lentanga yakhe.
Hayi, lokana sichane ndakho vele majensi. Ngiyawuzwa la group ye podcast into esingabazala bonke. Singomzala siyekeleni
We're
lokho.
all friends, bro. That's how
Ah,
many
cha singomzala
Into zokugejana ngo private parties. Hey. But yeah, Sissy. Yeah, no, it's been another great episode. I know.
Yeah, namhla sikhulume ngakho.
Wait,
Take my
before
phone,
you
was
jail,
it?
guys.
Let's go,
I got
man.
new eyes.
The church.
I paid $250 to see you.
Hey.
Proud for ukubhadalela ukusibona. Wow.
Yes.
Hey.
Congratulations, my
Shout out.
Bowser.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congrats.
Singazigqibezi.
So uthi abantu
Yafuna
ababe
i-check.
badlalisa amehlo akho vele.
Yeah, imagine mbhadalile ukuthi ngizobona ngicabanga.
Wena usukube
So
mubi.
ungagezanga.
Sobe ungagezanga.
Kumbe ubuye umubi nje for no reason like. Phongu decide.
After
ubona.
Nah, majenza kulanto kuthiwa ngumuntu omubi. Wonke umuntu lo muntu wakhe.
Aje wena ufuna umama babantu mana
Umuntu
kancane.
omubi nje.
Umuntu.
Hello, wona
Wena
uthofuna
ufuna
mama,
umama
wona
wabantu
usitshela indawo yakho
kancane.
yabomama.
Kanti uthini
Asiqhubeke.
kanti wena?
Na ukhamba indawo eliyazi loba yethu thina
Ubaba mina
senayazi.
nje indawo yakhe le mana sisayikhuluma.
Uhambe ku TikTok page yami. I think it's the
So nestock abantu.
not even.
This is
Go
your
page
video.
yami, yeah. Go page yami. Go to my page right now.
Also,
That video we shot
social media.
emoteni silomgcini.
Oh damn.
What happened?
No, guys, it's social media.
Oh,
Ukuthi lana
ke social
sithatha
media.
into ze-Instagram.
Selifaka ku real life.
Sesifaka ku real life. Mina I
what's
even
that?
say it on my bio, bro.
Othi.
This is not real life. This
Yeah,
is not
ngabantu.
real life, bro.
Okay.
What you hide your man?
Ngathi
I
hide
don't
your
know your
man.
girlfriend.
Ngangivela kila dog. Yabona i-energy leyancovela
Oh, fresh
yeah,
fade.
bro, fresh fade.
Don't
No, hide your
energy
mothers,
lana,
big
Hayi
boys.
ungazwa kahle.
I will-
Ngavela-
no,
ngavela
but-
kila.
No, but
Siyawuzwa,
it's fine. We try we listen, we don't charge.
But yeah, social media is not real life. I hope you guys know this so that you are not depressed when other kids start posting things and then you start feeling like you're behind in life.
So this year
Hayi,
Yeah, and-
izalukazi.
hayi ngakwenzi lokho.
And
Yeah,
ezinye izinto ezigunywe ku podcast guys,
Yeah,
episode le specifically
That thing is not real.
akusiqiniso, yeah.
Because people don't post
Sezichaza.
the nonsense they go through.
Mina siyafabricate phela Lawrence njalo ngumfundisi.
Anjabona for example, umongaka
Opapati, omongisatheni.
ukuthi for example,
Abantu uthanda
umongi
ukukhuluma ngela mic.
akapostanga
Kusongena
eWalk
kwini?
Bridge.
Okay, preaching. So lafuna ngi
The
Hi,
point
guys.
exactly.
Nyawakhala lapha
That's the point I'm
epreaching.
making. Ukuthi it's not real life. The real
Doing
life
a
is
little life
okay
crime.
preaching. Yabo? So guys who are about to commit crime, as you can see now, they are crocodiles. It's not come out. Yabo?
Anyway,
but anyway
Who
nobody
prize?
so
Hi guys.
we're coming to you from where
I'm coming from you from King's Crow, a Cotton Lounge. You know the dealio.
You know the
Rey
vibes.
Mysterio.
yeah lingabe lingekho familiar ngendawo lesikhona but
Namhla sithi
No, isake sarekhodela la.
yeah it's the bar
mic. Yes.
Bryce, you were there. What's ukhohliwe?
So was still at namhla sike Koto, namhla se King's Crow, which is the other side, but we're still chilling here, home ground. Hayi okunye konke sokukhulunywa ngala nje sesile segment yethu liyani. Anything else sebeyithola ngala.
Happy Iceman
So
week.
oh shit.
Hayi lani Drake.
Mana. Nhle ngikhulume khathesi. We're recording this on Thursday. The album is coming on Friday.
tomorrow.
But we're just already gonna say it.
Happy
Dodo
Iceman
is really.
It's a national treasure.
What an album.
Let me tell you something.
By the time this comes out, this will be fact. What an album. The greatest of all time. 600,000 units
Yeah,
first week.
bro.
He just surpassed Michael Jackson, the first artist to have 3 albums charting for 10
happy
years.
Iceman week. Yeah.
He's not a
Yeah,
joke,
yeah,
that
yeah.
guy.
Some of fans got Drake.
Not a joke.
No.
That's the greatest artist of all time. He's not even the greatest rapper
We
anymore. He's the
cannot
greatest
debate.
artist that ever lived.
That's debate, though.
As debate, huh?
Le mfuna ukuyidebate lawe after.
Hold on.
Listen, people.
He
it's
headline.
fine.
He headline. Drake just surpassed Michael Jackson.
It
Didn't
was
even
what
care.
it was. So
Just surpassed Michael Jackson.
Nge-digital era umuntu wayenza nge-analog era
Right.
avele ningacompare those two people
Into
Sicela
lesi-
sibongele siqhube
Yeah,
ukuphikisana.
all right.
I
Okay.
said, afterwards.
It's okay.
Thank you so much for tuning into the podcast. It's been another great episode. Follow, like, subscribe. And these days it's busy. Ngama givalo. By the time we're done with this giveaway, mina lezambiza give more.
Wow.
Philanthropist.
Liyamazu Gilmore T. Mina ngeke give more B. Give more breeze.
Wow.
Liyamazu
Philanthropist.
love more Mataivan.
Give more.
Give more maslizana.
Bewis.
Kari, why manje khetha lesikhiwa? At least doti sinikiwe.
Uyamazu love more Jonas. Uyamazu love more Jonas.
Give more.
Now give more Patonas.
Please.
You thought we were done. Listen, the first 5 people to WhatsApp me and tell me the venue and the date of the next Niger Soul and Friends will each get a free ticket. Okay, bye.
I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready?